Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on plugins within ChatGPT. So if you want to turn on plugins, you need to have ChatGPT Plus. So first open the sidebar, and if you do not have ChatGPT Plus yet, you need to upgrade. But if you have ChatGPT Plus, you need to tap on those three dots next to your name, then tap on settings, then go to data controls. I don't have ChatGPT Plus yet, but if you do have ChatGPT Plus, you still need to go here, but you will see an option, beta features. So the beta features are only for the ChatGPT Plus users, but when you have ChatGPT Plus, you can turn on plugins right here. So you just need to toggle it on, and yeah, just a list of plugins will pop up. You can use them. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel because it means a lot, and it helps the channel grow. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.